Do you think someone has to be really passionate about sales in order to be really good at it?
That's a really good question. What do you think the answer is?
Well, I think that if you're passionate about sales, I think it makes it a whole lot easier because you're like motivated and you want to learn more about it. But I also think that if you're just like dedicated and work really hard at it, I think you can still become good at sales either way.
I agree with both of those, and if I could, I'd add a third to it. I think the people that I've seen, and I've coached hundreds of them, and I've been around thousands of them, the third little X factor that they have is they just want to be in the game. It's like you playing hockey yourself a lot of the time. Hopefully, we'll get that all of the time, but everybody's not like this all the time. You've been on the ice sometimes where you're like, I don't care. I just want the puck. I just want to play. I just want to. And that I think is the biggest thing of all. If you're laying in bed at night going, well, what if? Like, what if this worked out? And you're constantly having these fantasies of like, what if I did figure this out? Like I remember thinking about making the first time before I had made $100,000 a year. I was like, man, my life is going to change so much if I make $100,000 a year. It didn't. I don't want to depress you. It was a lot less money than I thought. But up until I made that money, it was almost as good as making that, just being like, I'm in the game. I got a shot. Something good could happen for me tomorrow. So when you have that attitude, you're less likely to feel like things aren't happening fast enough, or I got cheated, or I should have got that promotion, or I should have got that job. It's like, man, I'm just in the game. I'm trying. And that's kind of something cool about life that nobody talks about is like, if we were in Las Vegas and we were gambling, you have a limited amount of money that you can gamble. And when you're out of money, right, you can call the credit card company. Don't do that. Don't get into gambling. You can call the credit card company and they'll loan you some money, but eventually the money's going to run out. In your life and in sales or whatever career you have, you can always go back and get more money. You can always go back and get more chips, right? You can introduce yourself to a Marcus Lemonis or whoever it is, right? And they might never remember you. Who cares? The next person will come around. So as long as you have an attitude of like, I'm in the game, I can do this, that's what makes it fun. And then when you start getting good, and like to use the hockey reference, then when you start scoring goals, it becomes a lot more fun. But if you just love being on the ice and playing the game, that's where I think all the big rewards are. And I think that's what's really important is, yeah, I mean, that's how we feed ourselves at our family is people get sales coaching. So yeah, get some sales coaching. But even if you're not going to get sales coaching, have that attitude of like, I can do this. What's the worst that's going to happen, right? I'm going to introduce myself to somebody. I'm going to go call a company. What's the worst that can happen? So I think if everybody had a little bit of that attitude, I think their life would go better. But even if it didn't, they're going to have a lot more fun and be a lot more excited about the morning every morning they wake up.